Hey mamas and daddies, today I am going to share how to make your baby's skin fair or brighter. Mamas and daddies, there is a Preemie channel in Hindi as well. Link is in the description. Please subscribe my channel and help me to reach to the broader audience. First of all, I want to share fair skin is good and dark skin is bad. It's just a mindset. Any complexion with hydrate, glowing and healthy skin is beautiful. If you think dark complexion is bad, even your child will feel inferior complex due to dark complexion. And this negative feeling can go to generations to come. Scientifically, skin color, hair color, eye color, height and body types are genetic. And these depends on parents and their family's genes and no one can change them. If you or your child have dark complexion, I would like to share some scientific advantage of dark complexion. Dark skin is adapted to sunlight and has increased quantity of pigments called melanin. The more melanin you have, the darker the skin and the more safer you are. Melanin along with other factors act as a natural umbrella and prevent harmful UV rays to enter your skin. Without melanin, imagine white skin as a transparent covering, which allows harmful rays to penetrate through into the lower layers of skin. This radiation causes damage to DNA and a few cells may mutate to cause skin cancer. So dark skin suffers much less damage compared to fair skin. Sometimes due to parents' unintentional mistakes, skin turns dark and dull. In this video, I am going to share how to make baby's skin hydrate, glowing and healthy. We as a parent can't make our baby's complexion fair, but due to unintentional mistakes, we can definitely make it darker and dull. Ultraviolet rays damages baby's delicate skin and make it look darker. If you keep your baby in sunlight for vitamin D, perfect time to keep baby in sunlight is in between 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. only for 10 minutes. So sunlight is not intense and you can prevent sunburn. 10-minute daily mild sunlight exposure is enough for vitamin D's production. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow my channel. Moisturize baby's skin properly. If you don't moisturize baby's skin properly, it may turn dull and dry. Every day after bath, apply moisturizer on baby's damp skin. So skin can absorb that moisturizer easily. And whenever you have gone out with baby and baby comes home back, freshen up baby and apply moisturizer again. And at night before bed, wash baby's hands, face, feet, clean baby's neck and apply moisturizer before bed. 3-time moisturizer in a day will keep baby's skin soft and healthy. Use baby sunscreen. Whenever you are taking baby out, almost 30 minutes before you go out, apply sunscreen to baby's skin. It will be better if you apply sunscreen daily after moisturizing baby's skin because ultraviolet rays are always there. Keep baby hydrated. If your baby is under 6 months, baby is already on breastfeed or formula feed, and if baby is feeding well, baby must be already well hydrated. If baby is 6 months plus, give baby small amount of water many times in a day. It will transport nutrients and oxygen to cells while helping remove waste. It will prevent constipation and it will hydrate baby's skin, and hydrated skin glows naturally. Please hit the like button, it means a lot for me. Give baby nutritious food throughout the day. Add at least 3 seasonal fruits to baby's diet. If baby is having well-balanced diet, it will show up on baby's face as healthy skin. Choose baby product wisely. Choose natural, organic, toxin and chemical-free products for baby. Choose clinically tested products for baby. It should be combination of care for baby. Avoid harsh sunlight. Use sunscreen. Moisturize baby's skin regularly. Give baby well-balanced diet. Keep baby hydrated. Add seasonal fruits to baby's diet. Choose baby's products carefully. If you take care of all these things, your baby's skin will be naturally glowing, healthy and beautiful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you very soon with next informative video. Lot of love to parents and their baby.